Hello friends and welcome back to Picture Astrology. Today we are going to talk about Rahu and Ketu. They are also called as nodes, or more specifically north and south node of the moon. In astrology there are various planets which are considered, starting from Sun, Moon, Venus, Mercury, Mars, Saturn, Jupiter. And Rahu and Ketu, or North Node and South Node, are also given status of a planet. But actually, Vedic astrology refers to them as shadow planets or Chaya Graha. Shadow means the normal shadow of a person, what you know about. So these two, they are called shadow planets because unlike other planets which are tangibly visible in the zodiac, you can see Sun, Moon, Venus, etc. You cannot see Rahu and Ketu. In fact, these are mathematical points which are generated because of mutual motion of Sun and Moon with respect to Earth. So they are actually the intersection points where the energy of Sun and Moon coincides with respect to the position of Earth. And therefore they become really important energy positions. In fact, they are considered most important for spiritual horoscopes. If the Rahu and Ketu, they are well formed or they are in well positioned, then a person can become a yogi who can transcend the boundaries of physical and go into metaphysical. So Rahu Ketu is actually very important points. Some consider them to be even more important planets than Sun and Moon and others. So in today's video what we will try to find out is how exactly these points Rahu, Ketu, or North Node and South Node are created, or how these points are calculated. So to begin with, let's consider this. We have Sun as the center of our zodiac, and we have Earth, the blue planet, revolving around Sun in an elliptical order like this. So Sun is the center, Earth is here, and when Earth revolves around the Sun, it forms a plane, a simple surface. When you join these 2 points and you revolve around, you will get this one plane which we have highlighted in the orange color, and we can call it as Sun's plane or Sun plane. So basically it is the plane of Sun and Earth. Now we also have Moon revolving around Earth in a very similar fashion. So if you see, I'm just making a small moon out here, and this moon also revolves around Earth in an ellipse like this. And this movement, relative movement of Earth and Moon, this also creates a plane. Let me highlight this in pink color. So this plane, which is generated by the mutual rotation of Moon, mutual rotation of Moon around Earth, we can call it Moon's plane or Earth and Moon plane. Now you can clearly see that when Moon rotates around or revolves around Earth, this movement will cut the Sun plane in 2 places. One place would be when the Sun is going downwards or going southwards, and it cuts the plane. It goes behind this plane and then move upwards, and it cuts it again when it's going up. So these 2 points where Moon cuts the plane of Sun and Earth, these are called the nodes. And south is the direction downwards and north is the direction upwards. So when the direction of Moon is upwards, this point is called North Node, which is known as Rahu. And when the direction of Moon is southwards, this point is called as Ketu or the South Node. So you see, I hope you can imagine that at the point when the Rahu and Ketu are generated, Sun, Earth and Moon, all three would be in just one plane. And this has a very high significance because in all Vedic literature, including the astrological literature, Sun is considered the soul of a person. Moon is considered the mind, the emotional and memory mind. And Earth is considered the body of the person. So Rahu and Ketu are the point where your soul, your body and your mind, they all are in one plane or they are in sync. So there is a possibility of spiritual enlightenment because of these 2 points. Now let's see how Rahu and Ketu move, meaning we see the Earth rotates around Sun in a clearly defined ellipse like this. Similarly, Moon rotates around Earth again in a clearly defined elliptical orbit, and all other planets, Venus, Mercury, Sun, Saturn, etc., they all revolve in a predefined elliptical orbit. But Rahu and Ketu, their movement is little different, and we will see the movement of Rahu and Ketu and how this movement can clarify various notions, like Rahu and Ketu are known as snakes. Rahu and Ketu are also known as your DNA, the DNA which you carry. If we closely look at the movement of Rahu and Ketu, we will be able to understand clearly the analogy or the similes of snakes, the DNA, and also of Kundalini, the power, the key, the CHI, the key power, which is called sometimes, or Kundalini power, that is also referred as a snake. So we will be able to understand these symbolism very easily if we know how Rahu and Ketu moves. So that I'll explain in the next video. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel, and soon I'll be making the next video where we'll see how the movement of Rahu and Ketu is like that of a snake. Until then, have a good time. Bye bye.